What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about following up BPI credit card application. Paano nga ba natin i-follow up yung credit card application natin sa BPI at saka paano nga ba malaman kung approve nga ba yung BPI credit card application natin? Kasi kapag nag-apply tayo ng BPI credit card guys, sometimes it takes time of course. Make sure to be patiently waiting sa updates doon sa credit card application ninyo. Kasi minsan guys, walang dumarating na notification right after na mag-apply tayo. Kaya naman, hindi natin alam kung may pag-asa pa ba, may inaasahan ba tayo o wala na. Kaya naman, ang dapat natin gawin is to follow up para malaman kung ito ba ay approved or declined. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share na mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, follow up on your BPI credit card application by logging in to BPI Online Banking Portal. Siguro naman aware kayo guys na since you are planning to have a BPI credit card, since nag-apply kayo, di ba? Make sure to download BPI Online para at least kahit papano, maging aware kayo guys sa BPI Online na sinasabi. Since nag-apply kayo ng credit card, kailangan yung i-link yan sa BPI Online para ma-monitor ninyo yung transaction history, at the same time, makikita ninyo yung expenses ninyo, and of course, malaman nyo agad kung may unauthorized transactions. Kaya naman, required talaga na malink yung credit card or savings account ninyo sa BPI Online. Checking your registered email for SMS for updates. Make sure lang guys na kapag nag-apply kayo sa BPI, yung ilalagay ninyong SMS or yung sinasabing mobile number or contact infos is active siya at ginagamit ninyo. Kasi the moment na nag-apply kayo, yun yung ipapasok doon sa system ni BPI. Kaya naman, doon nila ipapaalam kung approve or decline yung application ninyo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-follow up. Ngayon, kung walang dumating na notification kung approve ito or hindi, ito na yung dapat nyong gawin. Calling the BPI 24-hour contact center at 889-10000. Applications typically take up to 15 banking days to process. So kapag wala kayong na-receive na text message saying na declined or approved yung application ninyo, after 15 days, it's time to call BPI Contact Center to follow up and to know the status of your BPI credit card application. Ways to follow up on BPI credit card application. Online banking. Log into your BPI account, navigate to other services, then select application status inquiry credit card. So ito namang online banking kasi guys, kapag may existing savings account kayo sa BPI, tapos na-enroll na ninyo sa BPI Online, so ito na yung chance ninyo na mas madali yung pag-follow up ng BPI credit card application ninyo. Kasi, kusa siyang mag-a-appear doon sa BPI Online ninyo na may inactive BPI credit card kayo. Ngayon, kung wala pa kayong BPI Online, hindi pa kayo nakapag-enroll doon since wala kayong savings account, first time nyo talaga mag-apply ng BPI credit card, phone banking yung mainam nyong gawin. Call the 24-hour BPI Contact Center at 632-889-10000 or 1-800-188-89100. Domestic toll-free. So ano nga ba yung kaibahan ng dalawa na to? Kapag within Metro Manila kayo guys, ito yung tatawagan nyo. 632-889-10000. Kung kayo naman ay nasa probinsya, using your PLDT or other internet provider landline, ito yung tatawagan nyo, ito yung gagamitin nyo. 1-800-188-89100. So sana na-clear ko yun sa inyo yung kaibahan ng contact number or contact center hotline ni BPI. Kapag Metro Manila, itong 889, then kapag province kayo using your landline or other internet provider landline, 1800 yung tatawagan nyo, 188-89100. Select option 2 for credit cards. Papapiliin kayo doon kapag tumawag kayo, papapiliin kayo kung ano yung pakay or sadya ninyo. I-click ninyo yung option na kung saan nandun yung credit card, of course. Then, option 2 for application status inquiry. Kung alin yung papilian na kung saan mag-inquire lang kayo ng credit card status inquiry or mag-inquire lang kayo ng status ng credit card application sa BPI, pipiliin nyo yun or pipindutin nyo yun sa keypad ng landline. You will need your 10-digit application ID. So kung nag-apply kayo guys via online, bibigyan kayo ng 10-digit application ID or yung reference number. Make sure lang guys, itabi ninyo yung reference number na yon para masabi nyo kaagad sa customer service representative ni BPI kapag tumawag kayo doon. And of course, yung mobile number, yung birth date, kailangan yung i-prepare lahat yun. Kasi the moment you call BPI Contact Center, they will conduct verification process para ma-verify yung identity ninyo. Then, via email or SMS, monitor your registered email address or mobile number for updates on your application status. So, tulad ng sabi ko guys, nung nag-apply kayo, make sure na active siya, or di kaya kapag nawala yung registered mobile number na yon, wala kayong choice kasi hindi kayo makaka-receive ng updates from your BPI credit card application. Since nawala nga yung mobile number na yon, then check nyo rin sa email guys. Make sure na kahit paano sa email guys, ma-retrieve ninyo. Para hindi nyo na kailangan tumawag sa BPI Customer Service to inquire kung ano yung status ng BPI credit card application ninyo para malaman nyo kung ito ba ay approve or declined. Kasi kadalasan, maliban sa SMS or sa mobile number, nag-i-email din sila regarding the status of your BPI credit card application. Branch visit. Visit any BPI branch to inquire about the status in person. So ngayon, kapag may malapit lang namang BPI branch sa lugar ninyo, pumunta na lang kayo doon kahit papano. Tapos kung ano yung kailangan nyo itanong, matatanong nyo agad since may mga taga-BPI doon na may alam kahit papano. Tapos, it will end up, papatawagin kayo ngayon sa BPI Contact Center pa rin. So kung wala kayong landline sa bahay, ito yung pinaka-the best thing to do to visit nearest BPI branch. So ngayon, how to know if your BPI credit card application is approved? So, paano nga ba malalaman kung ang yung BPI credit card application ay na-approve? Notifications. BPI will send notifications regarding your application status to your registered email and or mobile number. So, kapag nag-apply kayo, doon yun ipapadala lahat guys sa registered mobile number ninyo. Ngayon, kung nawala nga, wala na kayong access, make sure guys kahit paano linawin nyo talaga kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card kahit anong bangko man yan, na active dapat yung mobile number at saka yung email. Kung wala yung mobile number na wala, it's time to check your email. Kung wala pareho, tumawag na lang kayo sa BPI Contact Center to check the status. Para yung sa mobile number kasi guys is para hindi kayo ma-hassle tumawag kasi mahirap tumawag sa bangko. Ang tagal-tagal ng waiting time. Kasi maraming tumatawag doon. E-statement enrollment. Once approved, you will be automatically enrolled in the BPI Credit Card Electronic Statement of Account or e-statement which will be sent to your email. So kapag na-approve kayo, halimbawa wala kayong update, makaka-receive kayo ng email address, yung sinasabing statement of account. 00 lang yun kasi hindi nyo naman nagamit yung card. But para malaman nyo na may credit card nyo kayo sa BPI, makaka-receive kayo ng ganong email. Timeline approval. Approval generally takes up to 15 banking days. So, wait muna kayo guys ng 15 days. Diba? Nag-apply kayo. Antayin nyo muna yung turnaround time which is yung 15 days para ma-process yung BPI credit card application ninyo before kayo tumawag kung wala kayong nare-receive na update. Para make sure na may makuha kayong sagot. At least may update. Kasi 15 days yung binibigay na oras para sa processing ng BPI credit card application ninyo. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!